This is our M4, the ultra high-end technology for CAD/CAM making of our zirconia teeth. This is what we call a milling unit. This is where we're able to mill and manufacture our full mouth zirconia teeth. So I'm going to work with an end in mind. So essentially, this is what we're making. We're making these full arch of all-on-4 zirconia teeth right here in this office. So let's go back. How is this made? This is made from a full zirconia block. This is a zirconia block that we get from Zirkon Zahn. The zirconia block is put into this milling unit, and I'll lift it up. So you can see that yesterday we were able to mill 4 arches. One right here, and then you have 2, 3, and 4. 4 individual patients. So this block goes in here. This block gets cut into the patient's anatomy. You can see the patient's teeth. And then from here, it's finished to final zirconia teeth. So the technology is so sophisticated that we're able to design, we're able to mill, manufacture, and polish full arch of zirconia teeth right here in this office because of this amazing technology. And we're very proud to have it. One of the few offices here in Chicago or all over the nation have it, because then we brought the whole lab right here into this office for better workflow, efficient workflow, and most importantly, superb aesthetics and function for our full mouth implant patients.